Good evening, everyone. Standard disclaimer before we start our analysis. I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. Please contact your financial advisor for any advice with regards to your investment. Everything shared here is my personal learnings and it's not any recommendation to buy or sell. Okay, so coming to the analysis for tomorrow. So we will go ahead with three different time frames. We will analyze this chart on the daily time frame, then on the hourly time frame, and then we'll discuss the levels for tomorrow. Okay, so on the daily time frame, we see that the market has taken support at its previous breakout, but however has failed to cross this level of 25,781. So it's very important that the market starts to trade above this level of 25,781 if there needs to be any positive move. However, what we see on the daily time frame is there is a very strong selling happening on the top. So any rise will always see a sell-off coming. I think this is going to happen for the next 2 or 3 days. So if you move to the hourly time frame, it's the same thing. We have a range that has been formed here. So if you want to draw a triangle, um, let's draw, let's mark this in a triangle, right? So this is the range. Okay. So you see there is a range starting from 25,645 to 26,100. So in the hourly time frame, we will be trading on this range. But what's going to be interesting is the levels that is coming out for tomorrow. So we have the levels here already charted out. Okay, so the purple shaded area is the range that we were talking about, which is on the hourly time frame. So what will be our the levels for tomorrow? So it's going to be a very interesting day tomorrow. Um, the breakout level is at 25,818 and the breakdown level is at 25,655. Okay. Now, why is this going to be very interesting? Because we have a supply level coming in at 25,818. So you'll see a strong rejection coming from here. And we have a reversal level also coming in at 25,655. Okay, and 25,655 is also your breakdown level. So if you get the price trading below the breakdown level, the next target for Nifty will be 25,594. A strong bounce will come from this level. And even if that breaks, then 25,505 is a 100% bounce area. Okay, and any bounce coming from here will straight away go up by 100 points. So on the top side, what do we see? A breakout is at 25,818. This is a very strong supply zone as well as a very strong resistance. So in case we open up a gap up opening above this area, about 25,818, then you will see that there will be an immediate sell-off. The sell-off can come and touch 25,762 and then bounce back again. Okay, and let's say bounce back again, it's tomorrow is Nifty's expiry, so it will start moving in this range of 25,722 and 25,800. It will start moving in this range, decay the premiums before making the next move. Tomorrow, by any chance, if the market opens a big gap up, when I say a big gap up, it should be like about 25,902. If it opens above this, then all the shorts between this area is going to get trapped, which will trigger a short covering and market can go all the way to 25,964 before moving in a range. Okay, so we have two supply zones here. So just to make a mark, this is a supply zone and this is a reversal zone. Okay, so we also have a support. Yes, we have a support at 25,774. So what are the how do we trade this chart tomorrow? Tomorrow, any dip that you get will be a buy. And if a dip comes to 25,659, you can always take a risk of, going long here with a small stop loss, like a 20-minute, like a 30-minute candle just below the breakdown area. Okay. Otherwise, the market should take support here and start bouncing back. Majority of the premiums have been decayed already, so expecting the market to give a, a small trend tomorrow and expecting the market to open up positive. We don't see a negative opening for tomorrow. It's going to be a positive opening, and the opening should be around the 25,800 levels. Okay. However, in case we open above this, the entire game will change, and you should see buying coming in at all these levels tomorrow. Okay, that's it. Just mark these levels, mark these points, and it's going to be an easy trade tomorrow. As option buyers, one advice, always go by levels. Do not trade based on, you know, some random price actions. Only when the price action breaks a certain level, please go either buy or sell. Otherwise, randomly don't do it. You'll end up losing money if the market starts moving in a range. That's it for now. A very short video, and it has all the levels you need for tomorrow. Do like and subscribe if you like these levels, and also join the live trading session that we have tomorrow. We will be live by 9 a.m. in the morning. Thank you.